The wedding of the year it is. Mukesh Ambani's son Anant Ambani is all set to tie the knot with Radhika Merchant today. The wedding is being held at Mumbai's Jio World Convention Centre in Bandra Kurla complex. And not only Bollywood celebrities but several high-profile personalities from across the world are attending the wedding of the year. We have started to get glimpses of that. The Kardashians are here as well. Global sensation Kim Kardashian along with her sister Khloe landed in Mumbai yesterday. Earlier today, John Cena, former British Prime Minister Tony Blair also arrived for the wedding. Remember, the couple began their pre-wedding celebrations back in March in Gujarat's Jamnagar. And we're also getting some live visuals now of the wedding of the year. This is the entire Ambani family. Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant are tying the knot today. We have Shweta joining us with more details. Shweta, we are witnessing stars not just from Bollywood but famous personalities from all across the world descending in Mumbai attending the wedding.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, this is the star-studded event and the grandest wedding I can say. In fact, netizens go to the extent of saying that this is Shadi of the century, and my video journalist Sachin is showing you splendid visuals. In fact, what we understand is that as you enter, this is the spot, this is the photo op spot here, and all the celebrities are here for all the photo op session. Apart from this, as you just enter inside, there's this beautiful theme, an ode to Kashi, where we see that cultural roots of India, the Asian civilization has been kept in mind. There have been several stalls being put up so that all the global celebrities who are marking their presence on this big day of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant can get to experience the Asian culture when it comes to Kashi, the fabric, the food, the tea point and everything you can recall. Once you enter Kashi, the replica of Kashi is right inside, and one after the other, many celebrities have already gone inside, and there were many early birds as well. And just a short while back, we also saw the entire Ambani family coming here. They have been meeting and greeting media, and they also have shown their gratitude towards media. But here we see that around 6:30 to 7, the majority of the celebrities will be coming here, as we are picking up some exclusive details that around 10 p.m. would be the exchange of vows, that Sat Fere, the culture that is being depicted worldwide in front of many international celebrities. Apart from this, around 2 a.m. is what we are picking up, that Radhika Merchant, who will be Radhika Merchant Ambani, she will be doing her Griha Pravesh at 2 a.m. In Antilia, that has already been decked up. And apart from this, we are getting to learn that there are several performances being lined up. You talk about Ananya Pandey, Arjun Kapoor, Honey Singh. There have been plenty of celebrities, those who are going to do the great performance here. And all the performances are going to last for only 5 to 7 minutes. But here you see A.R. Rahman, that's in the frame, as Sachin is showing you. A.R. Rahman has marked his presence at the very wedding. We are reporting live from the spot, and just a while ago there was also Anu Kapoor with his family. They also went inside, and likewise all the celebrities have started. As I've said, that it will be the peak time between 6:30 to 7 that all the celebrities will be marking their way inside. And as you go inside, there's this entire journey in itself, where we are getting to learn that all the stalls have been put it so that the splendid experience, the love for Kashi will be escalated. But here, as my video journalist Sachin was showing you the live visuals of the maestro, the magician A.R. Rahman, he was here. And now we understand that it's not just the Hollywood fraternity. You talk about any sphere of life, all walks of life, all the celebrities are here, national, international, there's sports celebrities, politicians, everybody is here. And as we hear some noise, there is some celebrity who's going to enter, and just we have have seen Hardik Pandya there in the frame. Hardik Pandya giving a lot of memories about the World Cup and the way he had taken the trophy, and during the Sangeet time also he met Neeta Ambani. The entire Ambani family had called up all the team players, and here we see that Hardik Pandya coming alone, giving solo photo ops for the media, and in a very ethnic attire. And of course, when it comes to the wedding, the dress code is already been decided, that had been passed to the celebrities with their invitation. And here we see that the names are endless. In fact, everybody is marking their way in, and by 11 p.m. The most of the customs, the rituals would be completed, is what we are picking up from our reliable sources here. And here in the frame is we are getting to see, yes, some more cricketers in the frame, and how beautifully all are posing. This is the media obsession, what the cricketers are doing for us, and as they go inside, they will be also enticed to see the kind of arrangements that has been made by the team. And here we see that as they are posing, they will be moving ahead. Similarly, this grand red carpet, in fact bigger than that, we see that entire decoration, everything minute has been kept in point. Remember, when it comes to budget, all the netizens were also wondering that what would be the budget. It's in thousands of crores, where we see that pre-wedding to the big day that has been spent. But nevertheless, one thing that we have been reporting since day one, we have shown to our viewers also, that it is all about showcasing the culture. And here we see that Atlee, the director, with the fame, of course, the blockbuster film he has given with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, and with his wife, is here. Nevertheless, we see that almost everybody, in fact you, me, or any other person watching this on TV can remember a celebrity name. The celebrity will be sure shot. He is or she is invited here at the big day, and the list goes on, as I've said. And it will be important to see that the celebrities will be coming. The decoration and everything has been kept so much at point that people will not just talk about the celebrities, but the kind of treatment, but the kind of decoration, the food, the decor that has been done by the Ambani family will be also remembered in the great way. And here we see that the performances are also there, but here what we are showing to our viewers are some of the exclusive visuals from the photo obsession of the media. And the event is, of course, this is going to be the whole night affair. As we see that, this is what I was talking about. There's entire queue, the list of celebrities. Now we see that there's a pretty entry of MSD. What else do we want? This is the time where we see very own Mahi with Ziva and Sakshi. He's here posing, and how cute everybody is looking.
Celebrities from the TV industry, from film, international celebrities, Hollywood celebrities, and in fact from all spheres and all walks of life have been invited. They are marking their presence at the Shadi of the year. Thank you very much, Meta, for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for those visuals and updates.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.